आज हम आपके लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट लेकर आए हैं. If you guys follow our channel, most of you must be preparing for placements currently, and we get a lot of messages as to how to prepare for technical rounds, from where to study important computer science concepts such as data structures, DBMS, and most important of all, that is competitive programming. We have an amazing solution for you all, that is Coding Ninjas. For those of you who don't know, Coding Ninjas is one of the largest coding education company and have taught over 50,000 students like you.
So guys, even in my case, I have opted for Coding Ninjas to prepare for the companies. I am currently in Ideas, which is best in hospitality. So my journey with Coding Ninjas was amazing. I was able to crack 3 companies with the help of Coding Ninjas. So whenever I had a doubt during my course duration, there was one-to-one doubt solving support, and they also replied instantly. If I posted out, instantly within 1 hour, I was getting replies. I also found that their courses were very well structured and contents were very well curated. So the questions that I practiced were asked in companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. So if you all put the right amount of hard work and efforts on the courses that Coding Ninjas offer, it is more than enough for you to crack any product-based company.
So, coming to the courses, Coding Ninjas offer courses that are from basic to advanced level in programming. Let's quickly take a glance at all the courses now. If you have just started programming, we would suggest you to opt for the data structures and algorithm that comes in Java, C++, or Python. And if you already have a good hold on data structures, you should definitely go for their competitive programming course. Apart from these, they also have amazing courses on Android development, web development, and machine learning. And finally, if your ultimate goal is only to crack the placement interviews, then they have a separate course on that as well, where they will prepare you for the company that you desire to be a part of.
So let's suppose you are in first and second year and you are just started coding, or you are a beginner. So I will suggest you to select any one of the languages. Better go with C++. And once you arrive on the page, you can look what all things they are offering, what is there in the course content, and you can simply scroll down and check for the prices, basic, standard, and combo. I will suggest you to go with standard because it will cover your DS algos completely. Now click on proceed to checkout. You can see here it's already 30% discount as you will be early bird, and using our link, as you can see, there is more 15% discount. So total of 45% discount on the course that Coding Ninjas is offering. Also, the link for the discount will be in the description box below. You can click on the link and get a 15% off on any of the courses across Coding Ninjas.
So guys, अगर आप लोग register करते हो तभी आप लोग को 30% off अर्ली बर्ड डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, एंड फॉर द एडिशनल 15% ऑफ आप लोग को हमारा लिंक यूज करना पड़ेगा जो हम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अटैच करेंगे. इट इज नॉट अ कूपन कोड, टू यूज द लिंक दैट वी आर गिविंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ओनली.
Hope you guys like the video, or we again hope that you opt one of the courses using our link in the description box below to get 15% off on various courses on Coding Ninjas. Also guys, हम 2K के बहुत पास है, so do subscribe to our channel and make it fast. We have our Telegram channel, but the link will be in the description box below. All the updates regarding the channel about the placement interview series, the vlogs, collaborations, job updates will be notified first there. So do check it out too. And तब तक के लिए take care and prepare well. Bye bye.